friends, my today's topic is the pin diagram of 8051 microcontroller. So the pin diagram of 8051 microcontroller is as shown in my lecture notes. 8051 microcontroller is operates on plus 5-volt power supply. So the VCC pin is needed to the 8051 microcontroller and the sum of the outputs are measured with respect to ground pin. So the ground pin is needed in the 8051 microcontroller. Then it is consist of 4 8-bit input-output ports and the some important pins is as shown in the figure. I can explain the pins related to 8051 microcontroller. So first is the reset pin. Reset it is the active high input pin. After apply high pulse to the reset pin, 8051 microcontroller will be reset and the contents of all the registers will be lost. Then second is ALE, that is nothing but address latch enable. It is active high output pin. It is used to demultiplex address and the data bus by connecting it with the 74LS373 latch. Then third is PSEN bar, that is nothing but program store enable memory. It is output pin and it is connected to the output enable offer, that is nothing but read only memory. When 8051 fetching the code from the internal program memory, PSEN bar is the high, and when 8051 fetching the code from the external program memory, PSEN bar is the low, and at last fourth pin is the EA bar pin. It is nothing but external access enable, and EA bar pin is connected to ground when 8051 fetching the code from the external program memory, and it is connected to the VCC, that is plus 5-volt power supply when the 8051 fetching the code from the internal program memory. So the 8051 is also consist of two crystal oscillator signals, that is XTAL1 and XTAL2. So the XTAL1 is used as the input to the clock generator and XTAL2 is used as output to the clock generator. Also, I can explain the ports in the 8051 microcontroller in details. So, in 8051 microcontroller, it is consist of 4 8-bit input-output ports, that is port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. So, port 0, it is 8-bit port. It is used as input-output port or a bidirectional port, and the port 0 is also used as AD0 to AD7. That means it provides both address and the data. It needs external pull-up register because they have already not the externally pull-up register. Then port 1. It is 8-bit port. It is used as input-output port. This port does not need the externally pull-up register because its port has already consist of externally pull-up register. Then port 2. Port 2 it is the 8-bit input-output port and it does not need the external pull-up register because port 2 has the external pull-up registers already. It is used as A8 to A15, that is nothing but higher order address bus. For the port 2 is used as higher order address bus. Then port 3, it is 8-bit port. It is input-output port. Does not need any external pull-up register. Port 3 has the alternate functions such as shown in the Venn diagram. That is RxD, TxD, interrupt 0, interrupt 1, timer 0, timer 1, read bar, write bar, etc. So, in that way, I can explain 8051 microcontroller pin diagram. Thank you.